Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which was Monday the 7th of November. So we had these are the zones of reference on the FTSE. We had the Friday off due to the NFP, but we said the initial support today was at 72.90 to 72.98. Acceptance above 73.25 to 73.35 could open up moves towards resistance. But sustained break below 72.90 to 72.98, we had main support at 72.03 to 72.13. However, we would need to see downside momentum to bring this zone into play today. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE today. Okay, so we had textbook false break pattern from that initial support to that 72.90 to 72.98. Got that liquidity grab below there, strong close back above, real textbook sort of a false break pattern, and that took us right up into that 73.25 to 73.35 zone. We did get a really strong push through. We then came back down. Now, we did sort of hold it here, but we hadn't gained that acceptance above the zone. Even here, we got the full candle, for the acceptance, we didn't actually break above there. So we didn't get the full acceptance that we were looking for above that zone to see the push higher. And actually, we then just ended up chopping around, and we actually sort of created a bit of a downward trend line for the rest of the morning there. You can see 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches here. So that was sort of the clue that we couldn't get that upside momentum to break higher. We did then actually got a really nice selling candle here, which I didn't see during the day actually, but that's a really nice bearish candle. It was off that sloping trend line, hadn't taken out any liquidity, but still a really nice bearish candle that took us back down into the to the initial support zone. We did actually then get the breakdown below, but it was after the market closed, so no downside momentum in the cash hours below that zone. So a little bit of a choppy session today, not too much in the ways of opportunities. However, that was that classic false break pattern right on the open, which is probably the best trade of the day. So that's the FTSE. Now let's go and take a look at the DAX. Okay, so DAX, we said that support today came in at 13,380 to 13,400, and if we got a sustained break above 13,445 to 465, we could see moves initially towards 13,520 to 540, and then the key resistance zone at 13,600 to 13,625. So let's go and have a look at the DAX today. Okay, so the DAX did get a liquidity grab from the overnight lows in that main support zone as well, the support at 13,380 to 13,400. So it did get the liquidity grab there. It wasn't quite as strong a reversal as the FTSE trade though, although it was from a better zone. We then got the push up and we got the continuation pattern above that 13,445 to 13,465 zone. Again, we haven't quite seen the full acceptance, so it's a little bit dangerous. But unlike the FTSE, this in the DAX did have the momentum. You can see it push straight through the 13,520 to 540 zone and then up into that 600 to 625 zone. Now, with this, we did get a nice reversal pattern here. However, I think if you start taking a lot of these trades on the lower time frames at these really key zones, you generally end up getting yourself into a lot more trouble than you can good trades. So it's better to switch to the higher time frames, and there's actually a really nice 1 hour reversal candle here from that really key zone. You can see that really key zone has held the price action really nicely today. So a couple of good trades there, one on the FTSE and Open, one from the key resistance zone on the DAX today. So yeah, I hope you found these reports useful. I hope they're adding value to your trading. Please let me know how you're getting on. Please also come and join the Keyzone service. It's completely free of charge. The link is in the box below on our YouTube channel. You get to come join the Keyzone Traders community and get these reports before they happen. So I hope you find these reports valuable to your trading. Hope you've had a great start to the week, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.